um, reading books. Those are my hobbies.
Okay, why you choose our career dreams for your internship? Can you please mention that?
Sorry.
Why you choose our career dreams for doing internship? Can you please mention that?
Uh, I've always thought I wanted something related to finance, like banking or anything. So I thought this is the correct opportunity to have skills, to develop my skills, and get some experience. That's why I chose this career in education.
Okay, thank you so much, Malvika. Divya
Thank you.
Pillai, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello. Good evening to everyone. My name is Divya Pillai. I am from Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. I am pursuing a bachelor's in accounting and finance, the final year. My interest areas are like I like to play and read books and writing thoughts and maybe exploring and organizing stuffs. Thank you. That's all.
Okay, thank you very much, Divya. And Jatin Agarwal, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, myself Jatin Agarwal, and I'm from Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan. Currently pursuing my BTech final year from LNMI IIT Jaipur, and I have interest in trading and investing, and currently trading in Indian markets too. That is the main reason that I have interest in finance sector. So I joined this career in the education finance internship. I want to explore more about the finance sector and gain experience.
Okay, thank you. Is this your first internship or do you have any
In
experience?
no such experience in finance sector. This is the first.
Okay, thank you so much, Jatin.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Mukul Todwal, can you please introduce?
Yeah, good evening, everyone. This
Good
is Mukul
evening.
Todwal. This side. I am from Sri Venkateswar College, University of Delhi. Currently pursuing my BCom from there. I have a very decent experience of working with different organizations as finance intern, and I wanted to keep myself engaged into all these stuff. So this is the main reason why I joined Career Dreams Education.
That was a quite interesting answer. Thank you, Mukul. Then Payal Kumari, please
Good
introduce.
evening, everyone. Yes, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Payal. I'm from Bhubaneswar. Right now, I'm in my final year, pursuing my MCom in accounting and taxation from Pondicherry University. This is my first internship, so I want to explore my internship properly, and that's why I joined Career Dreams Education.
Okay, thank you, Payal. Glory Thomas. Glory.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. I'm Glory Thomas, and I'm from Allahabad, and I'm currently pursuing BCom honors in Jeesan Mary College in University of Delhi. And I've joined Career Dreams Education in the field of finance because I am more inclined towards finance, and this is my first internship, so I'm looking forward to gain a lot of exposure in this.
Okay, thank you, Glory, for your introduction. Then Vignesh Avasti.
Hello. Hello,
Yes,
good evening,
introduce
everyone.
yourself.
My name is Vignesh Avasti. I am from Bareilly, UP. I have done my graduation in BCom and I'm currently pursuing my MBA in specialization of marketing and finance from LM Thapa School of Management, Thapa University, Punjab. I have a core interest in finance. I want to uh, do specialization in finance because I have an interest in stocks, markets, and also have a uh, uh, good research. Also want to explore the job of equity research analyst. So I want to learn basic financial work that a company do in such post. So thank you. That's all.
Thank you, Vignesh. Is this your first internship?
Yes, this is my first finance internship.
Okay, thank you. Then
Welcome.
Naman Verma.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, I am Naman Verma. I am a hard working student currently pursuing BBA from SRM IST Modena, specialization in financial management and banking, currently carrying overall CGPA of 7.7. As going through the current market scenario, I have done many courses like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and recently working on advanced Excel. As my main interest in finance, that why I applied for the internship financial management in your company CD Career Dream Education. That's it.
Okay, thank you, Naman. Okay, some expectations are there. Then Sangat Dandavit, can you introduce? Hello, Sanket. Sanket, are you there? Okay, Divya Sinamar.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, can you please introduce?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, I am Divya. I was born and brought up in Yamunanagar, Haryana. Currently, I'm pursuing MBA from LM Thapar School of Management, and I will be taking finance as a major in my third semester. That's why I've chosen this internship so that I can develop my skill that will help me in my career.
Okay, thank you,
Hi.
Divya.
Thank you.
Then Hasnain.
Yeah, good evening. I am Hasnain and I am from Indore. I am currently pursuing BMS in Wilson College and I have done courses in C and Java in past. This is my first internship.
Okay, thank you, Hasnain. Then Ramana.
Very good evening, ma'am. Good evening, friends. My name is Ramnaparu Jerupotala. I am from Visakhapatnam. I completed my graduation in the stream of BCom at Visakhapatnam only, and recently I am pursuing my MBA Finance at Vignan Institute of Information Technology, Visakhapatnam. And I choose to choose education of career dreams because I want to implement my skills, which is I have some in accounts and finance, and I want to learn some more educational regarding finance only. This is my first internship. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you all for your short introduction. And myself, Sneha Kumar, and I'm from Kerala. And I will be talking with some introduction to you. So, everyone, good evening to one and all present here. And I hope you all are safe at home. Today, we have gathered to conduct our induction meet with all our new members, as this is our finance induction meet. I know the Monday blues are yet to hit, but before that, I want to announce that the entry of the new members to our family, and I'm happy to share the news with you all that after the interviews and discussions, we have found the new people right for our organization. It's my pleasant duty to welcome you all to our family. So, heartily welcome to our chief guest, honorable authorities, our new interns, all the team leaders, and my content. Success is not something that we acquire in one day. Success has an inseparable tie to your individual everyday decisions, activities, and encounters, despite how big or small they are. It is the achievement accomplished after battles and persistence. So, we all can together work hard to achieve our success in this internship journey. Without moving further, let me introduce you to Career Dreams Education. Career Dreams Education is a young and innovative enterprise in the field of education, teaching, and counseling, edu management, edu marketing, and HR development. Working on staunch professional ethics, we take pride in being an earnest advisor to the students in choosing their career options. Our services are financial assistance, admission guidance, placement assistance, training and development, and career counseling. And we proudly announce that we being given internships to over 4,000 students and we have over 2,500 happy clients. All our services and assistants are certified under Quality Management System under ISO 9001-2015 and we are affiliated to AICT. Coming to Money Borders, we at Money Borders are solemnly committed to our mission of furnishing digital financial servicing on a single window platform in the field of finance and taxation. We offer comprehensively competent client customized services and academics oriented professional finance consultancy in the area of fund allocation, portfolio management, asset management, capital structuring, taxation, and business regulatory framework. We focus on client satisfaction, trust, honesty, and reliance. As it is a startup under Career Dreams Education, our professionals are experts with experience of more than 100 clients as well. We get the work done at the knee and at the earliest and always available for the service. So, before starting our program, I would like to invite all our honorable authorities that we can start our meeting with positive vibes and blessings. So, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Mr. Karthik Kotwal sir, founder of Career Dreams Education. Mr. Vinayak Saxena sir, executive and marketing head of Career Dreams Education. Ms. Renu Bora ma'am, administrative head at CDE. Ms. Jaya Panwa ma'am, knowledge partner and technical member. Mr. Rajiv Gupta sir, managing head and technical coordinator. And the stars of our Money Waters, Mr. Kaushik sir, managing head of Money Waters, and Mrs. Shika Kadodia ma'am, managing head of Money Waters and finance coordinator, and Ms. Priya Jain ma'am, managing head and technical coordinator. So once again, a warm greetings on behalf of Carry Dreams and Money Waters, and I welcome my co-partner and my friend, Ms. Riya ma'am, to start the program. Riya ma'am?
Thank you so much, Neha ma'am, for this opportunity. So, hi guys, good evening, and I'll be the host for the rest of the day and will be introducing about career dreams education and your finance sector, that is our money barter. So, I hope you all are very much excited and joyful in this evening. So, let's just start. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Very good evening once again. So, career dreams education. So, what is career dreams education and why you are going to apply for this finance internship in this career dreams education? So, career dreams education that is registered under MSME Act, Government of India, recognized by State Government of Rajasthan, that is certified by ISO certified enterprise, that is ISO 9001-2015, and also by AICT. Skill India Initiative Comprehensive Internship Training Program. So, career dreams education hereby invites young minds, freshers, graduates, MBA aspirants, MBA passed out, technical students, tech lancers, professionals for 45 days comprehensive internship training program, where the candidates will be provided with live projects, online administrative, managerial work, assignments, and tasks with practical operational performance and business orientation. The candidates will be given opportunities to work with a core professional, qualified team and share the same work space in a competitive business environment. The program guidelines are based on the concept of learn, perform, training, execution, and achievement. So these are the 5 words that we have to keep in mind while we are working. First, we have to learn the things that we are going to apply. Then we have to perform the things that we are going to apply in our particular field or internship. And there is training that you are going to have by your particular heads and your team leaders, peers, and all. And then you are going to execute the whole thing that you have learned, that you have got the training from, and you have performed. And after that, you will also be getting the achievements of your hard work. So So progressing on the lines of Skill India initiative stated by Government of India, the candidates will be upgraded with placement assistance. Now, starting with career dreams education, there are many management areas that I am going to highlight about. First, that is human resource management. Second, it is marketing management. Third, it is financial management. That is our money batters. Next, it is strategic management, educational analytical management, content building and compilation, technical research and development. That is also known as our Technophilia 1.0. So, comprehensive internship cum training program. It is a value-oriented approach to help the aspirant develop business skills and professional values so as to inoculate an ethical sense of responsibility and a passion to strive for target achievement. Now, let us go through the job areas that career educations are providing under us. So I'll just pick an intern to read this for me. Neha ma'am, can you please help me?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. We'll select Glory Thomas to read this. Glory Thomas?
Yeah.
Yeah, please
Following
read
are
that.
following are major job areas. First is telemarketing. Second is digital marketing. Third is social media marketing. Fourth, personalized marketing. Fifth, data compilation. Sixth, database management. Seventh, content writing. Eighth, content designing. Ninth, content analysis. 10th, client customizations. 11th, business networking. 12th, online edu product development. 13th, educational R&D services. 14th, market potential analysis. And 15th, project feasibility analysis.
So as you can see, there are any number of job roles in our career dreams education, starting from our telemarketing to digital marketing to social media marketing, and also to our client customization, business networking, and n number of things that we are providing under career dreams education. Now moving on to HR management that I have told you about, that the major roles that we are having under our career dreams education. So under HR management, these are the basic roles that we are providing, that are HR recruitment, database management, HR CV proliferation, HR profile assessment, interview scheduling, HR client customization, HR B2B networking, HR training and development moduling, HR tech access. Now our business R&D management. They they are having their profile of edu-oriented tech-friendly research and development, a comprehensive area that including a multidimensional approach, emphasizing efforts to create, develop, and innovate new business approach, enhance client customized business approach. Now, talking to our money batters, that is the financial sector of career education. So it means the creating wealthy happiness. Apart from our wealthy happiness, we do have to have our wealthy happiness. We don't just rely on our healthiness and all. We have to be rely on our wealthiness too for our future, for our coming days and all. So talking about money batters that we are going to work on, let's have a look. What is money batter actually? Money Batters is a specialized financial management and financial analysis wing catering to financial development aspirations of our concerned stakeholders. We at Money Batters offer comprehensive, competent, client-customized services and academic financial consultancy in the area of funds allocation, portfolio management, asset management, capital structuring, taxation, and business regulatory framework. So talking about this financial words, I know you guys are well aware of this word. So I'll just pick one of this uh, word and I'll ask any of the interns to explain it for me. Okay, answer. I'll just go with taxation. That is the most basic word that every financial person or non-financial person also have gone through. So
Anyone, please take the initiative.
taxation is something that government imposes on a person on something for the sake of the making money to progress in our country. What I think that is.
Yeah, great. What's your name?
Vignesh. Vignesh.
Vignesh. Thank you, Vignesh, for your explanation. So, as Vignesh has explained me, the taxation is that government impose on anyone, any individual of our country, starting from our actor, actress to our government employees to the private employees and everyone. It is imposed on each and everyone to help our country to get more and more which to get more and more development in our India and okay. So taxation is the main thing that we have to go by each and every individual of our country. Okay. Now talking about your asset management, capital structuring, and there are funds allocation. There are n number of things that we are going to read about or going to have the training of the things that in your upcoming internship. Now, starting about your capital structuring and fund management, let us go through what is actually our capital structuring and fund management that we are going to have it in our internship. So I'll just pick one more intern to read it for me. Sneha ma'am, can you please?
Yeah, mom, sure. We will have Mukul Todwar to read this.
Yeah, so under this, we have systematic investment plan, health plan, term plan, e-gold investment, mutual funds, fund allocation assessment, intraday trading, tracking, rupee dollar assessment, financial leverage in capital structure, EBIT and EPS analysis, determination of value of firm with various approaches, market capitalization, stock market mechanism, and stock markets in India.
Thank you. So talking about capital structuring and fund management. So by the word fund, you know all about fund, like it means our money. So management means how do we manage our fund? So there are n number of financial sectors that we can manage our fund through this. So there are health plan, there is eco plan, there are mutual funds, stock markets, there are rupee dollar assessments, intraday trading, and a number of things. And while we are having our introduction, I heard of many interns who were interested in stock market. So I'll just pick one. It was Hasnan or who have introduced himself. So he has mentioned about stock market. Is it you, Hasnan?
It wasn't me.
I was. I have introduced
Yeah, yeah,
Vignesh.
yeah. What's your name?
Vignesh.
Thank you, Vignesh. Okay. So just tell me a short briefing about stock market.
Stock market is something where different company shares are present and you can buy or sell the shares depending upon what forecasting you can do about these stocks by researching in the market that which stock will go up or down. That's what I think what it is.
Okay. Yeah, you are correct. So stock market are is the market where n number of companies sell their shares to trade to the different kind of person who can trade in stock market. So what they do, it is just a simple method that we follow in stock market. When the let us take an example of a daily like daily needs in your daily needs you follow this like when your price of the onion is high or low. Okay, there is some fluctuations among the market. Okay, let's take petrol. So in this coming days, we have seen that petrol price are very much higher, getting so much higher that uh, every individual are getting so much tense, like how we can buy petrol in so much of rate and all. So yeah, so when you can see the petrol price is higher, the your customers or the consumers became low. Like they don't want to waste the petrol so much because they have to buy more and more. Okay, so when the petrol rate is low, then they go for higher consuming. Okay, so in the same thing in the stock market also, when the price of the stocks are low, people go for buying, and when the prices are higher, they go for selling. So these are the thing, that is the basic thing we follow in stock market. And then we have mutual funds, e-gold investment. These are the basic things that everyone heard of, is even if it is financial person or non-financial person. Okay, so about this we will also talk rather now. Coming to analysis of global financial markets, I'll pick one more intern. Neha ma'am, can you please?
Yeah, ma'am, sure. I will select Sanket.
Yes, ma'am. So under this, we have analysis of Sensex, analysis of Nifty, analysis of Kospi, analysis of Nikkei, analysis of FTSE, analysis of HANG, Hang Seng, Trans-Asian stock market analysis, and global stock market analysis. Thank you.
Thank you. So as we have gone through the global financial market, and also while I was explaining about stock market, so there is two terms of Sensex and Nifty. So anyone who is well known about Sensex and Nifty 50
Yes, ma'am.
in India right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who is it?
Ma'am Jatin.
Thank you, Ketan. Can you please tell me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Sensex is the primary index of Bombay Stock Exchange, and Nifty is the primary stock exchange for National Stock Exchange in India. Sensex comprises of top 30 companies and by market capitalization, and Nifty comprises of top 50 companies.
Thank you, Yatin. So, in that term, Nifty 50 only, we have the 50 words, so it only depends about the 50 companies, and
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the
Nifty
census
50.
we have, yeah, in the census we have 30 companies. Okay, thank you, Jatin. So there is in the global financial market. So by the word global, we are well known that apart from India, there is a global financial market where we can also go through. So there are different types of financial markets in the global where we can go through and can invest in there and can also have some knowledge about them. So yeah, we are also going to read about these things and get some knowledge about this thing. Now, February 2021 budget segmentation analysis and taxation scope. So in 2021 only, in the month of February, we have gone through some kind of fluctuation in our financial markets and all that our financial uh, minister has told through, and we have the other kinds of things that we have gone through, and also we have explained about that, and also we have gained some kind of knowledge about that. So we will be also gaining knowledge about this into the deep. So I'll just pick one more intern to read this for me. Neha ma'am?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. And now Malavika will be reading this.
Okay. Income tax deduction analysis, ATC to ATU. Income tax slab analysis with illustrations. Return of income. Procedure of assessment for individuals. Procedure for assessment for partnership firms. Procedure of assessment for companies. TDS, rates and analysis. Refund of tax. Income from salary. Income from capital gains. STCG, LTCG, ELSS and tax benefits, PAN card generation.
Yeah. So in the budget 2021, we have gone through some deductions, some fluctuations in this some topics and all. So we will be going through this, and we will be getting some knowledge about this too. So this would be beneficial in our coming days, so that we can get the knowledge and be ready in the coming days. So that as we are financial persons, so we have to be like get to know about the latest things that are going into the market, so that we couldn't go back. Okay, so this is the thing, that is the importance of the current news or the business news, that we should every day go through it. Okay. Now, goods and services and implications. So I'll pick one more and then. Neha
Yeah,
ma'am, can you
sure.
please?
Yes, yes. Now it will be Anuj Sharma.
Okay. First one is GST registration, GST scope, GST and HSN coding, GST rate analysis, GST monthly return filing, GST quarterly return filing, GST annual return filing, composition scheme, reverse mechanism.
Thank you. We are well known about this word of GST. It was imposed on 2013. So it is also a new or we can say latest topic to gain our knowledge in. So we will be going through the process of GST. So actually, it is also very important to each and everyone who is doing the business, or who are having their own business or startups, to fill in their GST, or what I can say is to give the money, to have the money in GST. So GST, we will be getting into the process, like starting from GST registration to going through the markets, and talking of the slab rates that are there, that we have to paid in. And there are returns also, GST monthly return filing and quarterly annual return filing, all these things. And also we have composition scheme, regular scheme, then we have reverse mechanism that we are going to go through in our internship. And yeah, now we have gone through our financial sector, that was our money barter, that is the most important sector for us. Now we are going through our Technophilia 1.0, that is the technical sector of our career dreams education. So Technophilia 1.0, the technical research and innovation incubation hub. Technical HR management, technical marketing management, technical content and graphics designing, research and analysis wing. Then we have Technophilia 1.0 core operation areas, so that are web designing and development, Android and app development, graphic designing, SEO and digital marketing, e-commerce handling, social media handling, cyber security mechanism, artificial intelligence mechanism. And also we have the technical HR management, that we are going through about core recruitment, intimation call management, interview call management, confirmation call management, confirmation mailing management, induction meet management, HR database management, certification and documentation management. Then we have technical marketing and marketing analysis, that is technical product marketing, technical courses marketing, institutional marketing, social media marketing, technical event marketing. Now we have technical content compilation and customization, that is our textual content writing and compilation, images and graphics designing, videos and MP4 designing and formatting. Then our core Technophilia research and analysis wing. Tech solutions to businesses, technical client customization, technical product orientation and development, technical feasibility analysis, reviewing with tech assessment, innovation and incubation assistance. That was all about our Technophilia 1.0. Okay. Now we are going through the benefits of the program. So why you have joined this program? What are the benefits that you are getting through this program, that I am going to explain. So you are getting practical business exposure, getting recognition with certification of internship, performance appraisal with certification of work excellence, avail cash rewards and performance-based incentives, avail job-oriented HR training with personality development sessions and skill enhancement sessions, multiple interview opportunities to maximize your chance and final placements in diverse industries. So the main thing about your program is your practical business exposure. I know, as you have also explained, so most of the interns are came through for practical exposure. Okay, so that is the main thing everyone is fond of. Then we have also, if you are working hard and if you are doing well, we are having certifications for work excellence and various kind of certifications that you can go through if you are performing well in your internship. Then also we have the main thing, that is your performance cash rewards and incentives. Okay, if you are working hard, then why not you are getting rewards and all. Then we are also having personality development sessions. Okay, so working in a kind of in a corporate field or anywhere, the main thing is your personality development. Okay, when you are not having a good personality, obviously many person would not be so much going through in your profile and all. Okay, so they will be much so much interested if your personality is good enough. So they will be much interested in your work, in you, and in your everything. Okay, now how to apply for this program that you can go through. Just you have to go through the internship application, then upload your CV, and then you have to go through a HR internship procedure, and then you will be have to enroll in the program and with your letter of training. Now, these are the procedure how you are going through this internship enrollment. So first there will be an intimation call, then there will be an interview call, then selection confirmation call, then there will be confirmation mail that will be sent to you. Then like this, you will be having an induction meet, and there is profile assessment presentation and issuance of official letter of intention. So these are the links that are given for your internship enrollment, starting from your daily work performance or daily work reporting. You have to mark it in your in this link and your internship application form. Now, the areas of certification. So, if you are going through an internship or any kind of internship in anywhere, so the certification is the main thing nowadays. Okay, so you have to show your certification in any kind of company or corporate field you are going through after this. So there are a number of certifications that you will be getting through if you are doing well in your internship and all. Okay, so first, that is your certificate of internship, that you have completed your internship. Then there is certification of work excellence, that you have worked well in a well manner and given your best. Then we have certificate of acknowledgement, that is given by project head of any program or project. Then we have certificate of appreciation if you are working in an event coordinator of any team event. Then we have certificate of leadership if you are assessed as a team leader. Then we have certificate of participation. It means in an event you are participated. Certification of keymanship, that is laying and strategizing in the segment in key role. Then we have certificate of excellence, achieving the standard performance. Then we have certificate of ethical professional conduct, that is for exemplifying high degree of behavioral and professional integrity. So apart from your working, also your behavioral and your professional integrity is also watched through the team leaders and the head. Certificate of innovation, that is developing and executing innovative modules. Then we have certificate for knowledge excellency, hosting a knowledge-oriented webinar with R&D insights into the concerned knowledge domain as a main speaker. So these are the things that you can go through our career dreams education, that you can go through and see it, like what is career dreams education, and you can also call us and contact us by these links and all. So if you want, you can just take a screenshot of this. Okay. Okay then. Thank you all for your precious time. I hope you all have enjoyed.
Thank you so much, Riya ma'am, and thank you so much, Sneha ma'am, for handling today's induction here. And good evening to all the new interns, the young aspirants of the financial area, and welcome to the comprehensive internship and training program. And this side, Vinayak Saxena here, I am the marketing and executive head at Career Dream Educations. So, guys, welcome once again to the financial internship, and this will not be internship, guys. This will be internship with training program under the guidelines of Skill India initiative approved by AICTE. That means आप लोग सिर्फ internship नहीं करेंगे, कुछ नया सीखेंगे and try to apply that knowledge. That is ultimately internship, getting the knowledge and apply the knowledge. So guys, are you clear with this idea of induction? Are you clear that what is this money barter और किस तरह से आप financial internship में carry forward करेंगे? I want some multiple answer. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to
Yes,
ask
sir.
something.
Yeah, please. If you have some query, definitely, please let us know.
Sir, actually, I don't get what role we have assigned as a financial intern.
Okay, guys, let me add one thing. As a beginning, this is an internship 45 days. Initially, at a beginning, आप लोग एक team में add हो जाएंगे. Team leader will give you small financial task. We will give you some not real time but dummy task, because you are in the beginning part. Since you are learning, we will give you some research activities, getting some PDF, getting some research papers to be prepared, getting some financial analysis done. This will be the first part, and as you go further, you will be given some real-time business activities, financial statements, related activities, taxation activities, GST activities, and so on. And if you are a strong intern, then it is possible that in the coming days, you can be the team leader, you can be the project head, or you can be the event coordinator, or else you can start your own project with Money Barters. Guys, we are giving you 100% flexibility. If you have a knowledge, then let us know. We will share your knowledge with our team, and accordingly we will create opportunities. We will not give you any target कि go and get these people. Target नहीं होगा. You decide what is your strong point, share with your team, talk with your team, communicate with your team leader, and have some patience. Guys, to develop new skills, to develop new qualities, we will help you step by step. So, as a beginning of financial internship and training program, you will experience what is financial research. सबसे पहले आप लोग research करेंगे, like what is the impact of Sensex, what is the global market going on, what is the banking scenario of Indian economy. And once you are going up with your research area, you will see some small bit of financial decision making. Guys, you let me know. Okay, guys, I want to ask a simple question. Is it useful for a company to get fund through equity or through debt? Which is more beneficial, debt funding or equity funding? I want a financial decision. Yes, Vignesh, your answer?
Equity.
Okay, any more answer? Any support for equity? Equity for debt?
Sir, we have to
Yes, sir,
find
equity.
a combination of equity plus debt.
Okay, it's a mixed
Appropriate
answer.
combination.
Sanket, it's a mixed answer, equity plus debt. But अगर मैं आपको एक ऑप्शन दे रहा हूँ, out of debt and equity, you are the financial manager. आप 10 लाख रुपए का लोन लोगे या 10 लाख रुपए के शेयर्स मार्केट में इशू करोगे, क्या सही होगा?
Sir, it will depend upon the risk appetite of the person.
See, we will consider three questions: risk, cost, and consideration. Risk and cost. Two things will be taken. So, like in the beginning, Vignesh said equity होना चाहिए. A very quick answer. So, what will be your answer, Sanket? Equity or debt? Choose one answer.
So we definitely need to find the cost of capital and all.
Okay, you are looking at the factors. Okay, you want factors. Okay, Jatin, what will be your answer? Equity or debt? जल्दी बताइए.
Sir, equity, sir.
Okay, and Hasnain, your answer?
Sir, debt.
Okay, Divya, new one. Divya, what will be your answer? Divya Simhar and Divya Pillai, your choice.
Sir, equity.
I think Glory Thomas, what will be your answer?
Sir, equity.
Anybody is there who want debt? Anyone is there who support debt?
Sir,
Yeah. Yes,
sir, if we go for equity, then the ownership will be diluted.
right. That's a well-defined point. Guys, you know what?
Depending on the situation, we should go for either equity or debt. But if you're confident that the project will be success, then we should probably go for debt.
I think, guys, you know what? All those people who have given the answer equity, the answer is okay. The answer is correct, guys. You can get equity funding also, depend on factor. But is a logical answer, guys. Debt funding is always easy for the companies, not equity funding, because the clear answer in debt funding, whatever interest you are paying, the interest payment is tax deductible. कंपनीज को टैक्स बेनिफिट होता है इस चीज का. सो अगर मुझे 10 करोड़ रुपए की जरूरत है, मैं डेप्ट फंडिंग लूंगा रेदर देन इक्विटी फंडिंग, क्योंकि डेप्ट फंडिंग से मुझे टैक्स बेनिफिट मिलेगा. एंड अल्टीमेटली गाइस, डू यू नो व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ईपीएस? क्विक आंसर, ईपीएस क्या होता है?
Earning per share.
Earning per share. Every public limited company has to maximize EPS. आपका EPS maximum होना चाहिए. That is a sign of growth. And to increase the EPS, आपको debt funding करनी पड़ेगी. That is the justification, guys. To increase the EPS, we have to prefer debt. See, as Sanket said, we have to consider the cost of capital. Definitely, cost of capital, market conditions, बहुत सारी बातों को देखना होगा. But as a financial manager, you have to be clear. Debt funding is more cheaper. The cost is less. What Sanket said, cost of capital is less in case of debt funding. Guys, these type of knowledge must be there with you for quick answering. And as a financial intern, guys, I advise you, you have to be very much clear and practical. You can't take an option. क्या है, 10 रुपए थे, लगा दिया तो लगा दिया. 10 रुपए नहीं, 10 करोड़ भी लगाने पड़ सकते हैं आपको. The company depends on your decision. In this internship, guys, we will not give you direct business activity कि जाओ ये target पूरा करो. We will help you understand and learn the practical use of financial business. Okay, guys, let me know one more answer. What is term plan? I want to purchase a term plan for myself. What is the benefit for me? A quick answer. You are a financial advisor, no? Advise me. I want a financial plan for my family, but I want term plan. Is it useful? I want a financial advice from you people. Yes, Sanket, about to speak something. Payal,
Sir,
Malvika?
it will give you a cover for specific years.
Not complete answer. Not a complete answer. Anyway, Mukul, want to speak up?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, term plan is a plan which gives you some security. The premium is a bit higher, but the sum assured can be way too higher than life insurances.
Okay. Again, incomplete. It is correct, but incomplete answer. What is the benefit of term plan? I want a straightforward answer, clear-cut answer. Guys, you know what? That is the reason Career Dream Education is giving you internship and training. Because when you join the company, now, guys, you have to be very much confident in your answer. You have to be very clear in the interview. If I am the owner of a company and you are my financial manager, you have to advise me, okay, sir, investing this amount will be fruitful or not. So, okay, last option, quickly, guys.
I think income tax benefit.
Again, see, income tax is very small benefit. And what previous answer I got, the premium is higher. No, the premium is very less. Any more new idea? Term plan सुनते दिमाग में क्या आएगा? कुछ idea है आप लोगों को? Girls, want to add something? I think, guys, इस internship में आपके लिए बहुत कुछ होगा सीखने के लिए. And क्यों सीखना है? So that आप लोग market के लिए तैयार हो सके. Let me add the answer. टर्म प्लान एक ऐसा प्लान है जो आपको रीपेमेंट करेगा इन केस ऑफ डेथ ओनली. इन केस ऑफ डेथ पे, चाहे वो डेथ आपने सुसाइड से करी हो, एक्सीडेंट में करी हो, बीमारी से करी हो, किसी भी तरह की डेथ में आपको एक लमसम पैसा मिलेगा. इसका प्रीमियम बहुत कम होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, विनायक सक्सेना, I'm having a term plan for myself of 80 lakh rupees. You won't believe the premium is how much? The premium is 990 rupees. 990 रुपए मेरा प्रीमियम है एक महीने का. You can say 1000 rupees मेरा प्रीमियम है. 12,000 rupees मुझे भरने होते हैं पूरे साल में. 80 lakh is the surety. अगर मैं कल मर जाता हूँ, if I die tomorrow, my family will get 80 lakh. Guarantee. You understand? Term plan is a guarantee. मरना तो है ही आपको. ये बात तो पक्की है. तो जिस दिन मरोगे, जिस दिन भगवान के पास चले गए, आपके घर में 80 लाख रुपए पहुंच जाएंगे बिना किसी शर्त के कि आदमी कैसे मरा, क्यों मरा, विदाउट एनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन. So guys, got the idea? Yes या no तो बोलो quickly. Are you clear with this idea?
Yes, sir.
And you know what, guys? Once you complete your education, companies like Money Bazaar, Paisa Bazaar, Money Control, Bank, they will call you. They will give you a job. But guys, if your decision is not strong, how can you stand a job? 2 महीने नौकरी करोगे, फिर निकाल दिए जाओगे वहां से, और फिर नई शुरुआत करोगे प्लेसमेंट की. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? I want some answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it? See, we are approved by AICTE and we are working for Skill India initiative. It's a non-paid internship, guys. यहाँ आपको payout नहीं मिलेगा. If you perform good, then there will be some paid reward for you. If you work as a project head, then definitely you can earn a good amount. The internship start from 500 rupees to 20,000 rupees. Minimum 500 रुपए से लेकर maximum 20,000 rupees तक आप जा सकते हैं. But we want clear knowledge and clear decision. So guys, my vision is that the career team wants you people be clear with knowledge, learn, get the practical knowledge. And since it is a training program for you, you will see the best of taxation, insurance, investment, many more. Guys, okay, no, एक क्वेश्चन और हो जाए लास्ट में. आज इंडियन मार्केट में गोल्ड का प्राइस क्या चल रहा है? Quickly, what's the gold price going on in the market? Is there anyone जो गोल्ड में इन्वेस्ट करता है ऑनलाइन? आप में से कोई है ऐसा?
नहीं सर, ऐसे सर इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया सर, पर मतलब सब पेपर ट्रेडिंग करी है सर इन गोल्ड में.
That is the best method. जतिन, आपको पता है गोल्ड का रेट क्या चल रहा है मार्केट में आज?
Yes sir, around sir 50,200 around sir.
50,000 रुपए कितना for 10 grams?
Yes sir.
50,000 for 10. Even if you, अगर आपके पास पेटीएम या फोन पे है, आप डायरेक्टली गोल्ड खरीद सकते हैं जाकर 1 रुपए से लेकर 1 लाख रुपए का. Guys, you can purchase gold from your phone and you can keep this as investment. जब प्राइस बढ़ेगा, just sell it off. आज से 2 महीने पहले when I purchased the gold, the value was 45,000. In the month of March, 26 March, when I was at Jaipur, I just sold. मैंने बेच दिया. A bit of the amount of gold I sold. At that time, it was 47,000. I think 46, 47. March, 26 March, I'm saying, March ending. 1 महीना हो गया. The price has gone to 50,000. Guys, this is economy. पैसा मेहनत करके कमाया जा सकता है, ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. और फाइनेंशियल पर्सन पैसे कमाना नहीं, पैसे को बढ़ाना जानते हैं. Just learn the dialogue. We don't earn money. We multiply money. That's the best thing. आप सभी लोग 20 years के हैं. ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप लोग 60 साल तक कमा लोगे. बट कितना कमाओगे? How much you will earn? Will you be billionaire? What? करोड़पति बनना है. If you want to be a billionaire, तो पैसे कमाना नहीं, पैसे को मल्टीप्लाई करना सीखो. 1 रुपए का 100 रुपए कैसे बनाते हैं. And this is what this program is all about. सीखो how to multiply money. जिंदगी भर मेहनत करके करोड़पति नहीं बना जा सकता. And this is what we say, पैसे वाली खुशी, wealthy happiness. Ultimately guys, पैसा सबको प्यारा होता है. What do you say? Yes या no? Do you love money? Are you passionate about
Yes, sir.
money? Yes या no? Only one, बाकी नहीं है क्या?
Yes sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
Girls, what about you? I think girls को लगता है they don't want money job.
Yes, sir.
Is it guys? Girls and boys, be active. Ultimately, पैसा बुरा नहीं है. And having money, it is the biggest blessing of God. आपके पास पैसा है, ये भगवान का सबसे बड़ा आशीर्वाद है. ये हाथ का मैल नहीं है. Don't think ये हाथ का मैल है. इससे बहुत बड़ा प्रसाद है. So as a financial intern, be ready guys. We are all about money. पैसा है तो खुशियां हैं. पैसे बिना खुशियां तो होंगी, but दिखाने वाली. So be very shrewd, be clear-minded, and think like a businessman. I am a businessman. I got my own business there. That's it. The spirit and attitude must be there. Welcome to Career Dream Education, the comprehensive internship cum training program, where you will see the best of internship combined with entrepreneurship. Let's see, ये आपके लिए चैलेंज होगा अपने आप को प्रूव करना और ये दिखाना कि यस, मुझ में दम है. पैसे को कमाने का नहीं, पैसे को मल्टीप्लाई करने का. So players, welcome to Money Batters. Say, am I clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ऑल दी बेस्ट करिए एंड मेक श्योर गाइस आप लोगों में एंथुसियाज्म होना चाहिए, लेजी मत हो जाना। पैसा कमाना नहीं है, पैसे के साथ खेलना है, तो आप में भी क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए, एक एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए। सिर्फ हजारों की बात नहीं होगी, यहाँ बात लाखों रुपए की भी होगी। और है दम, देन ट्राई टू बी अ प्लेयर ऑफ सीआर, जिसे हम कहते हैं द सीआर प्लेयर्स। ऑल दी बेस्ट गाइस एंड टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स योर इंटर्नशिप स्टार्ट्स। आपके लेटर ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग आपको मेल कर दिए जाएंगे विद इन द नेक्स्ट 3 days। द टीम लीडर्स आपसे कम्युनिकेट करेंगे। मेक श्योर गाइज आपके लिए बेसिक असाइनमेंट बहुत छोटे छोटे होंगे ताकि आप लोग बेसिक बातों को समझ पाए। बाय द एंड ऑफ इंटर्नशिप यू मस्ट बी वेरी क्लियर विद योर एरिया। यू कैन सेलेक्ट, आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट में जाना है, इंश्योरेंस में जाना है, किस एरिया पे आप काम कर रहे हो। आप टीम लीडर से बात करिए, टॉक टू योर टीम लीडर, सजेस्ट योर आइडिया एंड थिंक लाइक अ बिजनेसमैन। ओके गाइज, सो विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट एंड हैव अ ग्रेट इवनिंग।
Thank you, sir.
Sneha ma'am, thank you so much once again, guys. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Wish you all the best. And see you the next side tomorrow morning. All the best. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Malvika. Okay, you may disperse now. The meeting is over.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Coach. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you so much,
sir.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. It's a pleasure, guys. A pleasure always.